Alright, here's the 1986 F150 with the 94, 95, 96 f350 swaybar. Got the lower spring mounts. It's kind of hard to see in the video. There's the end links. Got it mounted on the frame. All the 1-tons I looked at did not have this cross member, so I don't know if it was just using the bumper as a cross member or if all the trucks in the salvage yard had it missing. This bolt hole lined up, and that bolt had to be drilled on the frame on both sides. Here's the inside angle of the passenger side, the inside angle of the passenger side bushing where it mounts to the frame. Here is the driver's side. Here's the driver's side frame mount with a bushing. On this truck, this cross member had a little kick up right here that was preventing the bushing from mounting flat. So we just heated it up and hammered it flat. Didn't seem to affect the cross member any, it just allowed us to mount the bushing. Got any more questions, let me know.